In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an ads.txt file on your website hosted by Hostinger. This is a crucial step if you're running ads on your site, as it helps verify and manage which parties are authorized to sell your ads, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. So, let's dive right into it and get your ads.txt file up and running. First things first, you're going to need to create a text file named ads.txt. This is a simple text file where you'll include the information about the companies authorized to sell ads on your behalf. If you're working on a Windows PC, you can easily do this by right-clicking on your desktop or inside any folder and selecting New, then Text Document. Name this document Ads, making sure it ends with the .text extension. If you're using a Mac, open Text Edit, start a new document, and save it as ads.txt. Make sure to carefully input all the necessary ad information into this file, as this is what ad platforms will use to verify your authorized sellers list. Once your ads.txt file is prepared, the next step is to log into your Hostinger account. Head over to Hostinger's website and click on the Login button, where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your hosting panel. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, where you'll see an array of options to manage your hosting accounts and websites. The next instruction is to locate the file manager. In your hosting panel, scroll down or look around for a section labeled Files or directly for File Manager. This is where you'll be able to manage all the files of your website similarly to how you would on your computer. Click on File Manager to open it. Now it's time to upload your ads.txt file to the root directory of your website. Once in the File Manager, you'll be looking for the directory known as the root directory. It's the top-level folder for your website, often named after your site address or simply public HTML. This is where most of your site's files and folders reside. Inside the root directory, simply click the Upload button, typically represented by an upward arrow icon, and select your ads.txt file from where you saved it on your computer. The final step is crucial: verification. After uploading your ads.txt file, you need to check that everything is correctly in place. Open a new tab in your web browser and type in your website's domain followed by ads.txt. For instance, if your website is called yourdomain.com, type in yourdomain.com/ads.txt and hit enter. A successful upload means you'll see the contents of your ads.txt file displayed in the browser window. If you see your file, congratulations! You've successfully uploaded and verified your ads.txt file on Hostinger, and there you have it. Following these steps will ensure your site's ad traffic is well handled and authorized, providing trust and transparency for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.